Are you aware of the potential threats out there and how to protect yourself?
Sounds good. I'll be ready whenever you need me.
For you, here's an agenda we'll discuss related to cybersecurity for your safety awareness. In this lecture, we'll explore the world of cybersecurity and why it's crucial for protecting our digital assets. We'll focus on three main topics. 1. What is cybersecurity? Understanding the basics of cybersecurity and its significance. 2. The importance of cybersecurity, why cybersecurity matters, and the risks of neglecting it. 3. Protecting digital assets, examples of cyber threats, and practical tips on how to safeguard your digital assets.
What is cybersecurity? Certainly. Imagine cybersecurity as being like a safety shield for your digital world. It protects your computers, phones, and data from things like hackers and viruses, keeping your personal information safe and secure online. It's like having a guardian for your digital life. Certainly. Think about WhatsApp and Facebook. Cybersecurity measures there are like encryption, which keeps your messages and posts private, so only the people you intend to see them can. Also, things like password protection and two-factor authentication are cybersecurity measures that help keep your account safe from unauthorized access. And beyond those basic measures, companies like WhatsApp and Facebook also work hard to detect and block fake accounts and suspicious activities. They use advanced systems to identify potential threats and protect user data. It's an ongoing effort to create a safe online environment for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and